So in this video, we will be talking about Dassault Systems hiring process. Why I'm creating this video? Because in many colleges, there is an examination on the date of 29th of August for Dassault System. So we will be talking about the JD, okay, and the hiring process of Dassault System. If you also have your exam of Dassault System, you can tell me in the comment section the date of the exam, or you can tell me whatever you want to do about Dassault System. If you know the hiring process, you can tell me the hiring process in the comment section, because I'll be telling you something which I will be let you know in the upcoming video. Okay, so let's start. First of all, the eligibility criteria which they have shared is this one, in which they have mentioned any BTech, MTech, B or ME for 27 batch. Okay, 2027 batch was eligible. Any B, BTech, ME, MTech. Okay, preferred branches they have mentioned computer science, electronics, electrical, telecommunication, mechanical or related discipline from premier institute with good academic track records. Okay, some important things which I wanted to talk about. What they have mentioned in the hiring requirement is very, very important. Why? They have mentioned 0 to 1 years of experience, C++, Java, JS, QA, C Sharp or ETC programming language, deep understanding of computer science fundamentals, data structures, algorithms, OOPS, OOAD concepts, should have scored 70% in 10, 12th graduation PG, strong problem solving skills, adaptability, good team spirit, and good in mathematics and geometry. This is a very important point. Why? Because see, generally, if I talk about Dassault system from last 3 to 4 years, the exam which they are conducting, they are very, very focusing on aptitude area. See, I can tell you the last year paper, right? Like what was the examination paper for last year? I cannot tell you for this year because they have not revealed the exam pattern. So I will be talking about the last year exam. Based on that, I will be saying that they are focusing so much on aptitude area. Also, they ask easy to medium level of questions on aptitude. So I think aptitude is very, very important. Mathematics is very, very important to them, because from last to 4 to 5 years they are focusing so much on aptitude in their exam. Okay, so talking about the CTC which they are offering is 7.4 LPA in many colleges. Also, it depends on your college, your college, but generally they are offering 7.4 LPA. This will be your CTC. Okay, for the salt system. Now talking about the hiring process. So generally the hiring process comprise of total 2 rounds: the online assessment and technical interview. So first of all, we will be talking about online assessment. But see, first of all, I wanted to let you know that if you wanted to prepare for Dassault, it is not like you are preparing for Dassault. Okay, it is not like you are preparing for Dassault, because your preparation should be generic, because this is the placement season. Now Dassault is coming in your college. In future, suppose Coforge will come. Okay, NIIT technologies will come, Kirti technologies will come. So there will be multiple companies which will be coming into your college. Now you cannot prepare separately for all the companies, right? Many students did one thing for this problem, which I will be telling you. Okay, that our preparation should be generic, that we will be preparing once, and after completing our preparation, we will be confident. If any company visits our college, be it Dassault or any company, we are fully prepared with the whole syllabus. How we need to do that is, you need to purchase the Arjun series. Now this Arjun series mock test for all assessment is for you all placement season. Already it is a very trusted series, because many students already purchased it. They are preparing from it. Okay, so it will be very, very helpful for you as well. So Arjun series contains everything which is required to crack any company. It's a mock test series. If you will scroll down, you will be getting first of all aptitude, in which you will be getting quant, reasoning, and verbal. So everything in aptitude you will be getting. Then reading paragraph, numeric puzzle, gamified assessment, pseudo codes, DSA, CS fundamental, 24 hours of CS fundamentals. Then SQL, OOPS, data interpretation, development, generative AI, LLM, prompt, REG, communication assessment, coding question, essay writing, company wise material, everything you will be getting, coding practice sheets. Okay, so basically if you will purchase this series now, and if you will prepare from around for around 2 months from this series, or around 1 month practice, okay, it will be like 1 month. If you will go with the consistency that you are solving the mock test daily, some mock test daily, okay, in 1 month you will be prepared for all the companies. It is not like you will be only prepared for a specific company. And after completing this series, any company will come in your college, you will be confident that yes, I have covered everything which a company can ask. So you will be super confident with that thing. Okay, so I highly suggest to purchase the Arjun series for all the companies. Now talking about online assessment of Dassault. So As I told, they focuses a lot on aptitude. So last year, what they asked is they divided the assessment into total two parts. One was aptitude and second was coding. So in aptitude, they asked 54 questions. Okay, and in coding, there were around four coding questions. This was the last year paper pattern. In 54 questions, they asked the questions from quant and logical. No English, only quant and logical. Four coding question: easy, easy, medium, and medium. So basically, this was their assessment. As I told you, they always focuses so much on aptitude. That's why aptitude is very important for Dassault. Each and every year they are asking aptitude, and mostly their online assessment is based on aptitude only. Okay, so aptitude assessment is very very important. I hope this year they will not change the pattern, and if they will change, the syllabus will be same. Okay, I am hoping that because I'm not sure about this year pattern, but from last 4 to 5 years in the online assessment they are only majorly focusing on aptitude, that is quant and logical. In quant, they are asking the questions from geometry as well. Okay, the questions like SICI, average, percentage, time, speed, distance, train related questions. So these kind of aptitude questions are there. For logical reasoning, sitting arrangement, series, wordings, okay, words, letters, these type of questions were there. So basically, they focuses a lot on quantitative and logical. And see, believe me, if you will prepare the quantitative and logical from this Arjun series, na, it will give you a lot of confidence in your aptitude. Because see, this covers around 8 hours of mock test from quant and logical, and all the questions are mixed from all topics. And you will be giving the test from with timer. You can check the solution, and you can best part is you can give the test unlimited times. So suppose at the first time you only solved 4 questions out of 20, that is fine. Next time you can solve more questions. This kind of practice actually builds the perfection. So that's why I'm saying that start the preparation with the timer from Arjun series for the all companies. Okay. So this is the first part for your assessment. Then four coding questions. Generally they ask two easy questions and two medium level questions for coding. Now this part is optional. Sometimes there is a possibility that they will be asking coding question and they can replace this as well with something new, because generally what they did is aptitude each and every year they keep, and they change the another part. So maybe this year they will include some new thing. Last year they asked the coding questions. Okay, maybe this year they will include some new thing. That is also possible. Okay, then online assessment I already talked about. Then there is a technical interview. See, in technical interview also it is very pretty straightforward. They'll ask you questions from OOPS, data structures, algorithms, like easy medium level of knowledge is required. Okay, project based questions is also very important. Project based questions, and whatever you have written in your resume plus CS fundamentals and hot technologies. These are very important for Dassault system interviews. So I hope you guys understand what kind of preparation is required for Dassault. All the best.